Oil spill! Oil spill, master! Oil spill! Spill, master! Oil spill! Master, we have oil spill at the cargo deck.
Oil spill, okay? Proceed to master station. Attention all hands. Attention all hands. Attention all hands. This is master speaking. We have a oil spill drill exercise. All crew proceed to master station. I repeat, proceed to master station. Okay, second bit, send the message.
Attention, all ship, all ship, all ship. Security, security, security. This is an cargo vessel LC Tunisia. Call sign Delta Uniform Alpha Toto 02. We have oil spill at the vicinity of Bitas 1, Tondo, Manila. My position 14 degrees 37 decimal 293 north, 120 degrees 57 decimal 441 east. We have conducting oil spill drill. Once again, this is a cargo vessel in Tunisia. This is a drill. I repeat, this is a drill. Thank you.
Count up! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, the last number, sir.
Captain, all crew are counted for. We are ready to proceed to the scene. Proceed, proceed, proceed. Captain, we are attacking party are ready to attack the oil spill. Kevin, again.
Uno, dos, tres. Sudah, sudah, sudah.
Bridge, Charlie Mike.
Yeah, go ahead.
Captain, oil spill are already controlled. We already fixed the spill.
Okay, Charlie Mike. Thank you, team, for your cooperation and proceed to the master station.
Okay, man, proceed. Kopya, kopya, proceed. Okay, man, count up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, the last number, sir.
Captain, all men are counted for and we are ready for dismissal.
Gentlemen, copy, crew. Thank you for cooperation for oil spill drill exercise. Okay, all men,
Thank you for your cooperation. Dismiss.